Hi guys, welcome back to 10-Minute Maths. Right, today we are going to be counting to and back from 20, and we're going to be representing those numbers in a few different ways. Right, this really supports the learning goal where we're counting reliably with numbers from 1 to 20. We can place them in order and we can say which number is more or one less than a given number. Right, so today we're going to be using some words that we have used in previous sessions. We're going to be using counting on, counting back, more and less. Right, to join in today you're going to need 2 tens frames. So altogether that's going to look like a 20 frame. You're going to need up to 20 counters. Like always, it could be rocks, stones, toys, whatever you like, you choose. And at the end, you're going to make your own individual number cards from 1 to 20. Okay, and you'll need those for our little activities. Right, so let's get started. How many cakes can you see on the shelves? I'm going to give you a few seconds, just have a quick count. Right, did you count each cake one at a time? Or do you think the shelves look like something we might have used before to help us count a little bit quicker? Right, hopefully you might recognise them as tens frames, because you can see that each one has got 10 spaces on it. So just like our tens frames. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to represent the cakes as counters. So in the first frame, it's full. And when a tens frame is full, how many are there? 10. Excellent. So let's put our 10 in there. And then we've got 2 more in the other frame. So let's put our 2 in there. So we've got 2. Now we've got 10 and we've got 2. A really quick method to help us count is just remember there are 10 in our first frame and we can count on from 10. So you ready? So we can go 10, 11, 12. So we've got 12 counters there. So you know that's a much quicker method than counting each counter one at a time. Right, we've got some more cakes now. So how many cakes are there on the shelves? So remember, you can count on from 10 because the first frame is full, so we know there's 10 there. So see if you can count on from 10. Excellent, so it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well done. We've got 14 there. All right. Right, now we're going to put 2 more cakes on the shelves. So we're going to add them to our frame, but we need to count on. So altogether, we've got 14 now. So when we add the cakes, can we see if we can count on from 14? Are you ready? So we've got 14, 15, 16. Excellent. Now we're counting on from 14 as well. Really good job. Right. How many cakes do we have on the shelves now? There's a few more this time, so it might take a bit longer. Right, okay, let's do it together. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We've got 18 cakes on our shelves. Right, now let's see. Oh, it says we're going to take away 1 cake from the shelves. So if we're taking away, are we counting forwards or are we going to count backwards? Yeah, we're going to count backwards, aren't we? So we're going to count down from 18. Are you ready? So we're going to go 18, 17, because we've taken that one away. Excellent. Right, we're going to try one more of these, because, you know, I always find that when we're counting backwards and we're taking away, I think that's the trickier method. So let's have another go. All right, oh, look. Both tens frames are full. Does anyone know what 10 and 10 equal when they're together? It's 20. Do you know, when we've got two full tens frames like this, it equals 20. Right, let's see what we've got to do. Right, this time we're going to take away 3 cakes from the shelves. So again, are we counting forwards or are we counting backwards if we're taking away? Excellent, we're counting backwards. So let's see if we can count down from 20. All right, we need to take those 3 cakes. You ready? So we've got 20, 19, 18, 17. Excellent, well done. We've got 17 cakes left on the shelves. Well done. Right, we're going to jump straight to challenge number 1 today, because I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of what we have to do. So challenge number 1. Right, what you have to do. Starting with 10 counters, you're going to choose a number card between 1 and 10. So these are those number cards that we said we needed to make at the beginning. And then I want you to add that number by counting on using the tens frames, just like we've been practicing. All right, so I'm going to give you a quick demonstration now. Right, I've got my 10 counters there already. So we're going to count on from 10 for this one. So you ready? Right. There are my special cards. I'm not sure what they are. They're all muddled up. So let's pick one. All right, 6. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get 6 counters and I'm going to put them to the side. There's my 6 counters. Right, now I'm going to add them to the spare frame, but I'm going to count on from 10. All right, so you ready? I'm going to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, excellent. We've counted on from 10. We got the card 6. We've added 6 counters and we've ended up with 16. Excellent. Right, so that's your challenge number 1. And now here is your challenge number 2. So, starting with 20 counters, you're going to choose a number card between 1 and 10, just like you did. And this time, you're going to take away that number by counting back using the tens frames. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of this one. Right, so now we've got 20 counters. Remember, because there's 2 tens frames and they're both full, and that equals 20. So we're going to be counting back from 20 this time. Right, let's choose one of my cards. Let's see what we're going to get this time. How many is that? Right, 5. Excellent. So this time we're going to count back from 20 and we're going to take away 5. Are you ready? So we're going to go 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Excellent. So we've taken those 5 away and we've ended up with 15. Excellent. So there's your 2 challenges to have a go at. And once you've done that, I've got a greater depth challenge for you. All right. And this one, you've got to listen really carefully because it's a little bit tricky. So, right, you're going to start on 10. So starting at number 10. Then you're going to choose a number card from 10 to 20. Can you work out how many more or less counters you need to make the next number? So if I was on number 10 and I pulled out the card number 15, I've got to work out how many counters I need to get from 10 to 15. And then I'm going to choose another card, and that might be number 12. And then I think, right, do I need less counters or more? But I'm going to let you have a go at that one. I don't want to explain too much. Right, so there you go. You've got 2 challenges today and 1 greater depth challenge. So have a good go. That's all we've got time for, guys. So as always, make sure you like, make sure you comment, let us know anything new you want to learn about. Make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.